how to make your professional CV in the from AI. This is the Cloudy AI, cloudy.ai. You can search this. This is the free. I have registered and this is the free mode. I have checked this is the AI. So here you put your basic data. Like I have a old professional CV or your SSC certificate or any certificate of yours. Then put this here and professional data, your experience and the others data, your old CV, or you can put this manually typing like your professional, your work experience, your skill. That's all experience you need to put here. Then you command this make a professional CV for me as a senior full stack dev with 9 years experience. Okay, this is a simple command. And also put all is necessary skill with experience so give me complete CV. So this is the, so now run this here. So it will automatically create the CV. Now you need to wait. So we are waiting now. Check this. This is my old CV where I have put this, put here, put this data, and here is my educational data, and in the finally we have the skill of my, so 2-page CV. So now we need to wait how to look. So check. So this is on CV and our new CV is waiting to create it. So we are waiting now and create another. This is another you need to create here in this, the docs. Plus button click and here you need to open, just ready, make it ready. So after downloading we will just CV, when CV is ready, CV will be created in the docs file. So download it and we will open it here. So without Microsoft Office we make this CV completely from our PC. This is the complete better CV from any others. So any CV typer or CV writer, as we have a professionalism maintained. So you can also implement here as a 20 years experience CV writer, then put this, then will be there, then this result will be also better than this. So you have to better prompt or the better response. So you have to write this 20 years experience as a 20 years experience CV writer, generate this article as a 9 years your experience in these details. So it will be response better way. So prompt, you should prompt the better to get the better output from AI. So I do not never watched, as there is a limit, there will be limit issue, that's why I do not again this prompt. So please wait. So I am just showing the old prompt CV and this CV and our old CV, what is the difference, the AI based CV. So wait and see. So I had facing the limit issue out of the free message time and showing the bar hours or 8 hours to it. So I am using another account to provide this. So I have provided this prompt and same CV. Sorry, same CV just put here. Sorry, here, just put here without extra word, without extra word, with extra word, give me complete CV in PDF. So now we started, so you have to wait now. Now sex PDF is ready. So this is the PDF. Now I am downloading this. So this is the downloading. So here check my name and my designation, the professionalism, the senior full stack developer. So here is professional summary they put here, and this is the proper summary, this is the proper summary, this and here technical skill here defined back in front end CMS or automation tools method. Also put the education is there, and also the language is there, case event is there. So check how it is even. So you have to put, you make this senior development. Also you put how is the CV you wanted, the professional data, your basic, your personal data like father's name, mother's name, you can put this. So to you it will be entry here. Keep in mind to make it this type prompt without extra data, give me complete CV in PDF. So this prompt is the enough for to make you the PDF. Our first prompt failed because we did not prompt this type prompt, they make it the PDF. So they tried different method like scripting, time wasting types. That's mean time wasting types. So you should fix this. I need PDF, then that's why, so it will works fine. So thank you. In this way you can make this CV, complete CV from the Cloudy AI. Thank you. Bye now. Best of luck.